Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Kwamboka Judith. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt, homemade yogurt. Very simple steps. So these are the ingredients that we need. Because we cannot get, I could not get a culture, we're going to use this yogurt. You can use any yogurt. I'm going to use this Magunas yogurt. Then I have this clear vanilla essence. Then I have sugar. And of course I have the main ingredient, which is the milk. So I have 6 liters of milk. So I'm going to show you step by step how to make this homemade yogurt. First, we are going to boil our milk. So before that, I need to sieve my milk before I put it to boil. So let's sieve it. The reason why I like sieving my milk before boiling, let me show you. There's some particles that you get in milk, more so the one that you buy from, which is not, more so the one that is not processed. There's this black, I don't know if you can see them, very black particles. So it's best you sieve your milk to remove those black things. So let's boil. Let me put it on fire and leave it to boil. Then after boiling, we're going to come back. And if you have not watched my video on this stainless steel cooking pots, please go to my channel and you'll find the video and watch it. The best thing with these sufurias, they even show you the temperature of your milk or anything that is put inside that pot when boiling or when cooking. So before I showed you, it was at 20 degrees Celsius, and now it has moved. So my milk boiled until at these degrees. You can see there. Yeah. But I am still leaving it open to continue boiling for like 20 minutes. Then I take it out. So our milk has boiled. I'm going to take it out from the fire. So here we have our boiled milk. There we have our boiled milk. We are going to leave it to cool down until the temperature, like for the babies bathing water. Then we can continue making our yogurt. So for me to cool this milk at a faster rate, I'm going to put some water, cold water, in a basin. So I have my water in the basin. So I'm going to take my milk and put it in the basin that way. In the basin full of water, so that it can cool very fast. So our milk will cool until the temperature of the baby's bathing water. Then we can continue the process. As it cools down, let me go and do my night skincare routine. So our milk is cool. I'm going to skim out the cream before I start adding my other ingredients for the yogurt. So let me skim out this cream. This cream is very important for those who like adding it to our vegetables. Is very important. If you want to test your milk if it's cool enough, you can taste with a spoon. You take a little, then you put at the back of your hand that way. The way you check the baby's bathing water. So we are going to add, first we are going to add sugar. I'm going to put, sorry for that, I'm going to put 7 tablespoons of sugar to my milk. That way. Next, I'm going to add the yogurt. I'm going to put around 100 ml of yogurt, but you can also use, if you don't have any something to measure the amount of yogurt, because this is 150 ml, you can use a tablespoon. And for the tablespoon, I'm going to add 9 spoons. Or 3/4 of this. That way. Then for the essence, vanilla essence, I'm going to add 2 of these. Or 1 tablespoon is enough. So I'm going to stir. I'm going to stir it. So that it can mix properly. After making sure that your mixture is well stirred or well mixed, now we are going to put it back to our bottles or anything that you have. Oh, sorry for that. So for me, I'll store my yogurt here. You can use an airtight container or a jerry can like the one I'm using, or a bottle, but make sure it's an airtight one. I'm going to close it that way. Check the other one. After putting them this way, I'm going to cover them well. You need to put them in a warm place, very warm place. So I'm going to cover them with a blanket or a duvet so that they can stay at least for 8 hours or overnight, but at least 8 hours. They can stay for 24 hours, but at least 8 hours. So I'm going to put this one and cover them with a duvet so that they can get that heat and the culture to work on the milk to convert it into a yogurt. So guys, it's more than 8 hours since we left our milk, since we left our culture to act on the milk to convert it to the yogurt. So we are going to shake it well. Then we can see the end product. You can see the texture. So guys, this is our end product. This is our yogurt. You can see how heavy it is. But it gets more heavy when you store it in the fridge. So I'm going to store this one in the fridge. Then with your homemade yogurt, without a fridge, it can stay for around 1 week, that is 7 days. But when you have the refrigerator, it can stay to up to 2 weeks. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscription and that notification bell. Until next time, bye.